What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how I'm making money with high ticket affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you my results. So this is my affiliate dashboard, and here I have all the stats about the product that I'm promoting, which is Freedom Accelerator. And check this out, I'm going to refresh this page so you can see that this is my real results. And I have sent to this company 142 referrals, 617 clicks. I have 22 customers, and right now I have $872 in unpaid earnings. So this company pays 40% commission, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. And as you may know, that we as affiliate marketers, we can make commissions if someone buys from our affiliate links. And there are another affiliate marketplaces that you can check out. You can check check it out if you want. For example, clickbank.com, dstore24, share a sale, or jbsu.com. So you can find a lot of products to promote from those affiliate marketplaces. And let me show you my payouts. So these are my latest payments, and as you can see that I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product, and this is a high ticket product. Now let me show you quickly the product that I'm promoting. So basically I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator. So this is the high ticket product. The price is $1,997, and I'm promoting this product through the challenge. This challenge, the $70 challenge. The price of the challenge is only $9. So if I click here, you can see that I have all the lessons. So basically this is the real product that I'm promoting. So the creator of this product is Jonathan Montoya, and he basically explains how we can build an affiliate business by utilizing software and build this 24/7 sales system that it's going to help us make commissions. Once we have set up that system by promoting a main core offer and supporting offers, and then once we have set up the system, we just need to start sending traffic to it. And that is why you can see in the screen that we have here all these lessons about traffic strategies. So how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos, faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, Facebook, how to close sales, for example, on Facebook Messenger. And this is one of the most powerful trainings or lessons from Freedom Accelerator, which is the phase number 2. And I I, I really focus on super focus on these lessons, because this is like, so these are the strategies that I'm utilizing to make commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing, which is basically growing my own YouTube channel. So I have many YouTube channels. I'm growing these channels to promote products that I know that are going to help people. Basically, Jonathan teaches here how to create a YouTube channel and also grow it from complete scratch and utilize that YouTube channel to drive traffic to this system. So phase number 3 is how to increase conversions, and I'm working on this part because here on this lesson Jonathan explains how we can create our own custom bonus, our own bonus offer, so we can increase conversions, which that means increasing sales. And phase number 4, I'm not even in this part yet, is how to automate and scale. Basically, Jonathan teaches how we can hire a team to build our own social media, the YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, and all that stuff. So let me show you the automated sales system, which is my sales funnel, and I'm going to show you. So I have been using this software. The name is Funnel Freedom, and I like this software because this has a 7 figures done for you system. So what is that? So basically, what I'm doing to make commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing is that I have a main core product. I have a main core product, a main core offer, and then I promote supporting offer. Supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3, and so on and so forth. I'm promoting multiple affiliate products. And I'm doing this because instead of driving traffic to these affiliate links, so for example this one, I have built, or I have put a page before sending traffic to my affiliate links or my main core offer. And by doing that, I'm collecting the information of the prospect, so the name and the email. So basically, inside of funnelfreedom.io, I'm going to click here on sites because I want to show you the funnel that I'm using to collect emails. So guys, I have like many funnels. For example, I have been using ClickFunnels for years and GetResponse as well. So ClickFunnels, I'm using ClickFunnels for my sales funnels and GetResponse for the email marketing. But I have as well this software, funnelfreedom.io. And I'm showing you this method because this is for people who don't have time to build this entire ecosystem of products and this system, because it takes time and effort. So check this out. This is the funnel that I'm using. And so basically, anyone who wants access to this software, you can find that link in the description of this video. So you will have access to a 14-day free trial, so you can check this out. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this page. And so as you can see the screen, these are the funnel steps. So it has an opt-in page to capture the email and a bridge page. And then you can see that we have 7 modules on the members area. So what we are doing here, or what I'm doing here, is that I'm driving traffic to this simple page. So this is the opt-in page, and I'm driving traffic to this page, which has a good title. It has information. I have my own picture because I'm building my own personal brand. And when people click this button, take the free course, this pop-up appears and I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. And so this step is crucial because once I have collected that information, so Funnel Freedom is going to give access to those people who opting in their information to the bridge page. And in the bridge page, I'm using this video that Jonathan Montoya created. And check this out. So people are going to land on this page and they will read, your free course will arrive in your inbox shortly. Important, please watch. So people will watch this video, and then when they'll scroll down, they will see my picture, they will read this information, and when they click this button, people will be clicking the affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge, which is the product that I'm promoting. So, and the free course is going to, so people are going to receive that free course inside of their email. So they will receive an email. And let me show you quickly the free course, because I'm promoting multiple products by giving this free course. So check this out. I'm going to click here, this free course. And as you can see, this free course has 7 parts or 7 lessons, and people will go here, they will watch all the videos, and when they scroll down, they will find this button. For example, this button is for the 72-hour freedom challenge. I'm going to go to the part number 6. The people will go here, they will watch this lesson. 12,000 leads per month, 6 ways to get traffic, get free affiliate marketing traffic. They will scroll down and then people will find all these buttons. For example, this, and when people click all these buttons, people will be clicking my affiliate links for these products: Repurpose.io, Udemy, Freedom Accelerator, check out Freedom Accelerator. So when people click here, check this out, in that bar appears my affiliate link. And that is how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products by giving away valuable information. So people will go to part number 7, they will watch this lesson, and when they scroll down, they will find a button. And when they click here, this is my, so people will go to my affiliate link for Funnel Freedom, which is the software that I'm showing you right now. So, and this is like the front end, or like the part in which I'm promoting all of those products by giving away this free course. And this free course is the lead magnet that I'm using to collect emails, because people are not going to put their information just because you tell them put your best information. You need to give something away. And for this case, I'm giving away this free course that Jonathan Montoya created. So then I'm going to click on Funnel Freedom, because I want to show you basically how this software works, more specifically the 7 figures Don't Produce system. So check this out. Inside of this page, Funnel Freedom, here I have all my affiliate links for these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success. These are all my affiliate links for these products: GetResponse, Udemy. And the first step is to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of this page, and then click here, Update Affiliate Links. Once we have done that process, we are ready to go to start sending traffic to the funnel that I just showed it to you. And all the people who opting in their information inside of that funnel, Funnel Freedom is going to do all the work, which means that it's going to send the free course. And when people receive that free course and they click the buttons inside of that course, people will be clicking my affiliate links. And if they buy, I can get commissions. But more importantly, I'm collecting emails. I'm collecting the emails of the prospects. And Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails. And that is the back end of the sales funnel. So that means that I'm going to click on automation, because I want to show you. So right now I'm here on automation. And so inside of Funnel Freedom, we have the nurturing sequence or email sequence. So I have right now 61 people enrolled on this nurturing sequence, and these are emails, and people are going to start receiving all these emails. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links for all the products that I will show it to you. They are going to find valuable information, and they are going to find as well Jonathan Montoya's videos. But for example, so they will receive the emails, and they will find, and when they click the links, for example, to promote GetResponse, they will open a landing page in which we have a Jonathan Montoya's YouTube video explaining how to use GetResponse, and below that video, people will find a button that says, for example, get instant access to GetResponse. But when people click that button, my email list, or those the prospects, are going to be clicking my affiliate links for all those products. So that is basically how I'm making commissions with affiliate marketing, guys. So my main core offer is Freedom Accelerator, and I'm promoting as well Legendary Marketer. That's another high ticket product that I'm promoting. Basically, I'm promoting that product through this software, Funnel Freedom, because here, Funnel Freedom, let me show you. Here we can put our affiliate link for Legendary Marketer, specifically here in this part. Here it says affiliate link for Legendary Marketer, and this is my affiliate link for that product. So I'm promoting basically two main core offers, Freedom Accelerator and Legendary Marketer, and then I'm promoting softwares such GetResponse, Repurpose.io, vidIQ, Visla, InVideo, Udemy, and TubeBuddy. And my main traffic source of to get leads and to make commissions, guys, is YouTube. So I'm creating content on my YouTube channel. For example, check this out. I created this video 2 days ago, how to set up all your social media posts. And so for example, I'm showing you how we can utilize funnelfreedom.io to schedule our posts, for example, for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So I have connected those social media channels with funnelfreedom.io, and when people see the video, they will go to the description of the video, and here I have all my affiliate links. For example, here I'm promoting, so this is the free training, this is the link for Funnel Freedom, the software that I'm using, and this one is for the $70 challenge. I have here more affiliate links. So that is basically how I'm driving customers to my automated sales system, guys. So I'm creating content on this YouTube channel. I have a Spanish YouTube channel as well, in which I'm talking about affiliate marketing in Spanish, which is my native language. But basically, this is the strategy, my traffic strategy that I'm utilizing. I have as well Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, but my main traffic source that I know that is helping me to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing is YouTube, guys. So in the case that if you want to learn the skills on how to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click